Hey, I'm Jimmy and thanks for popping into my channel. Today we're diving into the kitchen for some insanely easy dessert recipes. We're talking 3 ingredients or less, people. Get ready to blow your mind and your taste buds with these simple recipes that anyone can master. Like and subscribe for more awesome recipes. Alright, first up we're tackling a classic cheesecake. Don't worry, we're ditching the oven for this one. You're going to need a can of sweetened condensed milk, a pack of cream cheese, let that bad boy soften up to room temperature, and some graham cracker crumbs for the crust. We're going to start by crushing those graham crackers. You can use a food processor, or if you're feeling strong like me, just put those crackers in a bag and go to town. Once you've got crumbs, mix in a little melted butter, press it into your pan, and toss it in the fridge to chill. Now grab your mixer and beat that cream cheese until it's nice and smooth. No one likes lumpy cheesecake. Slowly pour in that condensed milk while you're mixing. It's like magic, I'm telling you. Pour that creamy goodness over your chilled crust and pop it back in the fridge for at least 4 hours. Trust me, the anticipation is part of the fun. Before serving, top it off with your favorites. Fresh berries, a drizzle of chocolate, or even a scoop of ice cream. Next up, we're whipping up a batch of banana bread so moist and delicious, you won't believe it only needs 2 ingredients. You heard me right, 2! Grab yourself some overripe bananas, the spottier the better, and a box of Angel food cake mix. Yep, that's it. Mash those bananas up real good. You can use a fork, a potato masher, whatever you've got. Once they're nice and mushy, gently fold in that Angel food cake mix. Don't overmix, we want a nice fluffy bread. Pour that batter into a greased loaf pan and bake it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 35 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. The smell of this baking alone is worth making this recipe. Let it cool in the pan for a bit before slicing and serving. This banana bread is amazing on its own, but feel free to get wild and add some chocolate chips, nuts, or even a swirl of peanut butter into the batter before baking. Alright guys, get ready to impress your friends with this next one. We're making creme brulee. Don't let the fancy name fool you, this dessert is surprisingly simple. You'll need heavy cream, sugar, and some vanilla extract. That's it. First things first, preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Now grab a saucepan and heat up that heavy cream over medium heat. You don't want to boil it, just warm it up nicely. While that's happening, whisk together some egg yolks and sugar in a separate bowl until it's nice and smooth. Slowly drizzle the warm cream into the egg yolk mixture, whisking constantly. We don't want scrambled eggs in our creme brulee. Add a splash of vanilla extract for that warm, comforting flavor. Pour the mixture into ramekins, place them in a baking dish, and fill the dish with hot water until it reaches halfway up the sides of the ramekins. This is called a water bath, and it helps the creme brulee cook evenly. Bake for about 45 to 50 minutes, or until the custard is set, but still slightly jiggly in the center. Let them cool completely, then sprinkle a thin layer of sugar over each ramekin. Use a kitchen torch to caramelize the sugar, creating that beautiful crisp top. If you don't have a torch, you can broil them in the oven for a few minutes. Just keep a close eye on them. Let's switch gears and cool things down with a refreshing pineapple whip. This recipe is so easy, you won't believe it's only 2 ingredients. You'll need frozen pineapple chunks and whipped topping. Yep, that's it. Toss those frozen pineapple chunks into a blender or food processor and pulse until they're broken down into small pieces. You want it to be the consistency of soft-serve ice cream. Now, add your whipped topping and blend until everything is combined and smooth. You can enjoy this pineapple whip straight from the blender, or you can freeze it for a couple of hours for a firmer texture. It's like a taste of the tropics without ever leaving your kitchen. For an extra special treat, serve this pineapple whip in hollowed-out pineapple boats. Talk about a showstopper. Last but not least, we're making a lemon ricotta tray bake that's bursting with flavor. Don't worry, it's just as easy as the rest of the recipes today. You'll need lemon cake mix, ricotta cheese, and eggs. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and grease a 9 by 13 inch baking pan. In a large bowl, combine the lemon cake mix, ricotta cheese, and eggs. Mix until everything is well combined and smooth. Pour the batter into your prepared pan and spread it out evenly. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. While the cake is baking, make a simple glaze by whisking together powdered sugar and lemon juice. Once the cake has cooled slightly, Pour the glaze over the top and spread it out evenly. Let the cake cool completely before slicing and serving. This lemon ricotta tray bake is perfect for potlucks, picnics, or any occasion where you need a simple and delicious dessert. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys loved these crazy, easy 3-ingredient desserts. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the fun. See you next time.